everyone, this is Gabby from Brain Education TV. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. We make weekly videos on wellness tips for the brain, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. In this video, we're going to do a sun meditation, so please find an area outside where you can face the sun. And now, while you're facing the sun, take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. And then close your eyes and pull out your hands in front of you with your palms facing up towards the sun. And feel the heat, feel the energy coming down from the bright sun into your palms and into your body. Imagine you are like a sponge and you are taking in the rays. As you keep breathing deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth, absorb the sun deeply into your bones, your muscles, and your cells, so that it can recharge your entire body. The sun has infinite healing ability. If you feel pain or tension in any part of your body, imagine that you are sending healing energy from the sun there. The sun comes down into the top of your forehead, comes down into your face, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your arms, your abdomen, your waist, your legs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, and your feet and toes. Now raise your hands up a little higher and feel the energy coming in stronger into the center of your palms. Focus on the center of your palms. Now take this energy and create an energy capsule around your body. So you can move your arms up around you, around your head, around your back, your chest. Move your hands all around you, creating an energy capsule with all the energy you just accumulated. Now take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale. Now open your eyes and wake up from the meditation. You did a great job. How do you feel? Do you feel a little lighter and recharged and refreshed? This is a great meditation you can do anywhere outside that you can be by the sun. I hope you enjoyed this sun meditation. Please leave your comments and questions down below in the comment section, and I hope to see you in another video.